In today's video, I will show you step by step how to zoom in CapCut PC. The first thing you need to do is import your video and drag it onto the timeline. I will import an image to better showcase the final result, but the process is the same for both video and images. After dragging the video or image onto the timeline, go to the beginning of the video by moving this line to the start. Then click on this point representing the scale keyframe. After adding the initial keyframe, you need to add another keyframe at the end of the video. Drag this line to the end of your video and add another keyframe by clicking on this point right here. After that, you need to increase the scale. For this example, I will increase the scale to 130%. Here is what the final result looks like after adding the keyframes. We have achieved a zoom-in effect starting at 100% scale and ending at 130% scale. If you want a fast zoom-in effect, all you need to do is bring the keyframes closer together. You can move a keyframe by holding the left click on it and moving the mouse left or right. Here is what the final result looks like when we bring the keyframes closer together. As you can see, the zoom-in effect is much faster because the keyframes are closer to each other. If you want to create a jump zoom-in effect, you don't need keyframes for that. All you have to do is cut the video where you want the jump zoom-in effect, select the right video, and increase its scale. I will increase the scale to 130%, and here is the final result. As you can see, the video instantly zooms in without any animation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.